so I don't know if you're scared or what you got going on, but energy pools, so go with it, give into it, go with the flow, stop resisting life, okay? And if I'm wrong, then I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about, but I've actually never been wrong, so I don't think I'm wrong today either. Welcome everybody, it's ACD, hey! If I play the guitar, this will be the song I play. Not all your music. None of you gay ass Illuminati bullshit. Fuck you guys. Fuck all you stupid rappers. If Tupac lived, none of you motherfuckers would make music right now. Welcome, this is an adult video blog. I'm AZD, a Rise Apart motherfucking D-Bazaar. This is done under the banner of entertainment, rated X. It's going to be sexually explicit content in this, and it's going to be rated R, which is going to be violence and aggression and harsh language. If you have any children, have them leave the room or have them sit down with you. Okay? You're responsible for your own condition. And let everybody know AZD and the IMC Nation Fighting Amongst the Beasts are back, motherfucker. We're about to do what we are here to do. Welcome, everybody. Today is the 29th. Holy shit, it's the 29th of March 2021. We're here, and I'm going to do a quick video blog. Just finished the Beast Camp. Fuck yeah. Fuck. Base 2, look at that. That's beautiful. Look at that. That's real. That's real. If you go back, first Beast Camp, okay, talked about it or whatever, there it is, okay. This is like, we can't miss our life. I'm telling you, that's what's the big thing. Okay, so we're here, everybody, welcome. All right, next 3 days, I'm going to talk from the Beast, as the Beast. Okay, I've taught many lectures and many times. You have to take each thing in that time frame for what it is. Okay, I'm also here to demonstrate my life. So that's the man who taught me transcendental meditation. Shout out to Maharishi Mahesh Yogi. Right, big. I mean, shout out is a modern term, but respect and reverence to Maharishi Mahesh Yogi, and shout out in 2021 to Maharishi Mahesh Yogi. But anyways, the separation continues to happen between me and this. This thing called the mind, which is a concept actually. The mind itself is a concept that creates itself by conceptualizing itself. And then it takes on the identity as an ego. And then it sucks literally the soul, which would be me and you, its consciousness. It sucks the consciousness to live. And then it goes around, this fake identity called ego, the little guy, right, Arjuna, is going around now separated, which is division, that's what division is. It's a vision that's split in two. It's divisioned, looking for itself, and it never feels whole. Whereas whole right now is this entire experience, and how much I experience my experience, how much I have access to, that is how I would describe my transcendental meditation journey. I have more and more access to more and more of this moment. Whereas before I was stuck in my head looking through my eyes, and worried about Arash D-Bazaar. Right. I'm very aware of many experiences taking place.
And Arash D-Bazaar is not the thought, it's the consciousness in relationship to the body, the mind, the intellect.
The true Arash D-Bazaar.
Right.
That's what we're naming Arash D-Bazaar. We're labeling. Yes. Naturally, during that time, I went into TM, I graduated as the advanced practitioner, right? If you guys are doing it, you can understand how it's changed your life. I'm 4 techniques after that right now, okay? This is a lot. And I've been doing it for 6 years. Myself, level 2. I've been the beast, but I've only been protecting my area. It's been expanding, but not because I've been pushing. Now I start pushing. Now I'm not sorry. Why would I be? You be sorry. You want the same thing I want, right? You be sorry then, motherfucker. You don't want what I want? You don't want hottest bitches wanting you? You don't want that? You don't? You fucking lying bastard. You want that too, right? What else? You don't want unlimited money? You don't want unlimited money. You don't want friendships that are like more solid than any book you do, right? I'm the asshole. I'm ethical and I'm getting it. Fuck you. Okay? So Nice skirt. That's like a cartoon character. Yeah, like an anime. What's up? Bro, how do you do that? Oh, dude, I can't.
I don't know what the fuck I talked about for that long, but
Yeah.
I forgot.
What's up? Okay. I'm ready whenever you guys are ready. Whoa, glad you're there. Oh, not bad. Whoa. Well, let me go, dude. Bro. What? Where do I go?
Lean back, lean back. If you lean forward, you go fast.
Jump off with both feet. Both feet. Both feet. Both feet. Both feet. A fucking tsunami is starting here right now. Now, do what you want to do, but I'm here now. Cool. The next thing I think is, well, then if I'm here, you must be there. You see, it's one thing. You don't get denied. I'm not thinking you're puppets, and I'm the only real fucking one. I'm in a land of puppets. I'm just going, damn, so then other people are like this too. Then the experiment's already been done. What if I talk to them like this? They get better. What happens when they get better? They become better people to be with. We're only suffering for fear. Come on. We saw that this morning. Every time I'm trying to change somebody or something, it's because I'm afraid. Yeah, that's why. Fuck yeah, that's all I gotta say. Special shout out to my brother, the Red Dragon. Salute, brother. Thank you so much. Message well received, and hell yeah, that's how we do it. Today we're gonna talk about the one thing that we all want. We want to feel good, right? Let's pause. Just rewind in your mind. That's a good one, right? Rewind in your mind. Rewind in your mind from the beginning of this video blog up until right now. Your subconscious mind has been analyzing me. And your conscious mind has been analyzing me. Your conscious mind is listening to my words and it's getting what it gets, but there's a whole other perception taking place, right? Now what? Now I know it's an act anyways. Watch the next act. Watch the next fucking act. It's always been an act. It's always an act because when you look deeper and deeper inside, it is nothing like what's going on the outside. There's nothing like what's going on out here, what's going on in here. In here is just really just one giant fucking question mark. What the fuck is going on is really the internal experience. Where am I next? And just trying to feel good. There's nothing else going on the inside. That's all I do. Subtle communication. We're all doing it. I'm just amplifying the subtlety, which is interesting. I can amplify the subtlety in the communication. Hey, what's up, brother? No. Just the book shit. From the book I gave you? The book I gave you, like, so I made t-shirts to go with it.
Well, I want to buy one, bro.
No, you don't need to buy them. Give them out. What
no,
size
no.
are you?
I'm double XL.
Double XL?
But this isn't. This is a small.
These are mediums.
What do you have? I can wear a smaller medium.
These are medium. Here, take this. You want them? Yeah. I've been giving them out.
You're just giving them out?
Yeah, because I'm trying to get
You're
to
doing a
Netflix.
documentary right now. This is a top filmmaker right here. This is
How you
Sultan.
doing? Sharif Allman. You'll see me on Netflix one day. I'm going to take this guy and put him in one of my books. I love this guy. This is a great man since I met him. Always loving. Always showed love. I worked at the valet. He never treated me like other people did. Worked right here at Hotel Valencia. I got treated like everything you can imagine being a valet and bill attendant.
Seriously?
Oh yeah, and he was always respectful.
I
He'd always
look up
walk
to you.
up.
Okay, let me tell the story. I'm walking by a valet and I'm like, this guy is cool as fuck. I want to be his friend. Fuck valet.
Hey,
I'm just seeing
This
the
guy
fruit.
is hella positive. Treated
No,
me
I'm
real
serious.
nice. No, I
Why
know.
didn't I talk to you? 'Cause I thought you were cool. I was valet. I didn't even know what the fuck I was like.
He's a good man right here. Real good man. I told him one day he'll see me at the top though. Told you. I'm gonna get this book to Netflix. Remember this. Remember this. You've been at the top, bro. I look up to you, bro. You better stop. I love you, baby. Think if you ask your subconscious mind, this being here is doing well or not right now in life. See, there's just no lying about it, right? ask yourself that question. Don't try to like think it through. Just what's the impression you get?